This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Bethany White. Vacation where you live. Enjoy the sea salt air and the sound of the waves. Panoramic views from all rooms in the desirable Chicks Beach. This beautiful cedar plank exterior home has steps to the sand, has 2 decks overlooking the bay and private beach access. Very open floor plan with gas fireplace. New LVP flooring, new carpet in bedrooms, freshly painted interior, recessed lighting, ceiling fans. Glass front collector's cabinet off the kitchen with newly updated cabinets and appliances to make this kitchen a chef's dream. First floor office/flex space. Third floor laundry and a large side lot with a private paved patio. Electric front door security camera system. This is a no-fee condo. Wonderful location in sought-after Chicks Beach, close to restaurants, shopping, and bases. For more information, review the details below.